Many people think Mark Zuckerberg is a math genius who was born knowing C++. But the truth is, he just wanted to solve a problem. He didn't learn a language for the sake of the language. He used it as a tool. Today, I'm going to show you how to hack the learning process, master programming through practice, and start building cool projects 10 times faster. Step 1. Project-based learning. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn the whole language. That's impossible. Your brain only remembers code when it's solving a real-world problem. Pick an idea, a messenger clone, a trading bot, or a pizza delivery service. How does it work? Need to authorize a user? You Google that specific step. Need to save data? You learn databases for that exact task. This is called just-in-time learning, and it's exactly how top engineers in Silicon Valley work. Step 2. The hacker way mindset. For a long time, there was a poster at Facebook HQ that said, "Done is better than perfect." Your first code will be terrible, and that's okay. Your main goal is to make the program work. Iterations are key. First, build a minimal prototype, then improve it. Zuckerberg was constantly updating Facebook, fixing bugs on the fly. Speed is more important than clean code when you're just starting out. Step 3. Immersion and environment. Want to code fast? Surround yourself with code. Read repositories on GitHub, use AI tools as your personal mentors, and practice for at least an hour every single day. Consistency beats intensity. Remember, Facebook wasn't built in a day, but it started in a dorm room with a single line of code. Stop preparing, start building. If you enjoyed this video, you're definitely going to love these videos right here.